the brave little bird. Once upon a time, there was a small bird named Lily. She lived in a big forest with tall trees and many animals. But Lily was afraid to fly high like the other birds. Every day, she watched her friends soar across the sky. "I wish I could be brave," she said sadly. One day, a strong wind blew through the forest. Lily lost her balance and fell out of her nest. Without thinking, she spread her wings. To her surprise, she didn't fall. She was flying. The wind carried her higher and higher. At first, she was scared, but soon she felt happy and free. "I can do it," she chirped with joy. From that day on, Lily was no longer afraid. She became one of the bravest birds in the forest. Moral: believe in yourself, and you can overcome your fears.